Hello there. Sorry you haven't seen me in a while. I've been really busy. Life's been a little crazy lately, so I haven't been able to post on this YouTube channel in a while. If you're new to the channel, my name is Clay Perry. I'm a big Warriors guy. That's not true. I just love Steph Curry, and the Warriors had a huge win the other night against the Celtics to tie up the series, and hopefully they'll get a dub tonight, assuming this video goes out on Monday. But since I can't play basketball, I've been watching a lot of basketball. I can't play basketball because I got a 3rd-degree ankle sprain recently, so you won't see me crossing over anyone in this YouTube channel anytime soon. Don't know why I went there, because then it makes it sound like I'm good at basketball. I'm not good at basketball. Not good enough to at least post it on the internet. Okay, but yes, my name is Clay Perry, hence the name of this YouTube channel. Film a variety of videos, mostly about my life and adventures I go on with my friends and my wife. But lately, haven't been able to do that. I've been traveling a lot for work, internationally, domestically, had some projects for some clients and some friends of mine, and yeah, just been working and editing a lot of stuff that's not for this channel. But I do have plans to start posting again soon. I'm gonna give you guys a few updates on the videos that are to come. Side note, if you want to be notified when I do upload a new video, what you need to do right now, go below this video, find the red subscribe button. Click that. Over to the side, there'll be a bell icon. Click that and you'll receive an email notification anytime I upload a new video. Plus, it just really helps get my videos out there, so I hope you do it. Okay, back to what projects I'm working on. All right, you may be able to guess from the clips I am about to show right now. Where I traveled internationally recently. And I'm going to release a full behind the scenes and even some vlogs of my time in this country. We had a great time filming, heard some awesome stories. Also, Amanda and I went on a trip to California recently to hike in Yosemite, and then we drove out to Lake Tahoe, had a blast. Did some hard hikes with my 3rd-degree ankle sprain. There will be some videos to come on that. Also, based on the number of views, I think a lot of you love the Utah road trip series, and so we're gonna compare our time in Yosemite to our time in the national parks in Utah, and we're gonna give our 2 cents on where we think you should plan your next vacation, road trip. And some of the other videos I have in the works are just some ideas I had for the summertime with like friends and different trips, and so yeah, I have a lot of stuff to film. Just not enough time to do it. But be on the lookout. There'll be some cool stuff coming your way. But all you get today is me holding this lavalier microphone and a Warriors jersey talking to you all. Keep waiting for someone to walk up behind me, but no one has yet. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I will catch you guys in the next one.